Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can blur a background of a video in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. Now, there is no specific effect for blurring only the background. For some reason, it does not just does not exist in Clipchamp. It might exist in different software such as Photoshop, or not Photoshop, Sony Vegas, Premiere Pro, and things like that. So sadly, there is no effect to just blur the background of your video. However, there is an alternative which I will mention, and I will show this to you right now. Now, as you can see, I have a green screen video that I have taken from the templates or the content library, and you do need a green screen type of video, or a video which can use the green screen effect to actually blur the background, since you do need to have a separate background in a separate layer. So let me just show you how that is done. So let me just drag this into the timeline, and as you can see, the video looks like this. It is just a video of dinosaurs, and to actually add another background, I will take, for example, I don't know, this, or that's just a gradient. You won't be able to see the blur very well. I'll take this picture of a dog, and I'll set it here, and I'll make sure it is active for the complete duration of the video. And as you can see, since it is below this in the timeline, it is behind this video, and it will not show. However, to actually make that visible, you click on the video that you want to remove the background from, or in this case, this green screen video. Go to Effects, locate the green screen, and then modify the screen threshold and the color to your value that you wish to set it to. And as you can see, now the background is visible, and the video in the forefront is the video of the dinosaurs. So once we've done this, now we want to click on the picture of the dog, then go into Effects, and then you need to locate the blur effect, such as this one, and then you can set the blur to whichever value you want. The least amount of blur is this, and it is still blurred to an extent. However, the maximum amount of blur is this, and as you can see, barely anything is visible. And this is pretty much the only way that you have of actually blurring your background. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.